Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys, you know the holidays are coming, and look at all these delicious, delicious recipes you can choose from. So, check out all my recipes and pick a recipe so that you can make your recipe for the holiday. And you can be the one who brings the favorite dish. I even have some breakfast recipes. So when you wake up in the morning, you want to make your family a breakfast for the holiday, you guys. I have delicious. I have the quiche and I have my breakfast bowl. So check out those for the breakfast for your holiday. And then, you guys, look at that. Look at all these delicious, delicious recipes that you have to choose from. Look at that. And there go my turkey. That turkey was so juicy. And don't forget about the cornbread dressing.